Okay, Matt. Yeah. Going to fucking train on your short. Yeah, not good. Look, the large volume. What you want to be doing is looking for a buy down here below the large volume, below the large red volume. Um, of course, red volumes at the top of charts can be sell signals, but it is at the top of the chart. This doesn't really look like a top. It's not a parabolic move, so to speak. Um, it could have been. It could have been a short that came down, right? It definitely could have. There's a good one there, actually, but there was a bit of a stop hunt there. See this stop hunt? That was a bearish stop hunt, and this engulfed the last 7, 8 candles or whatever that was. That was a better signal. Now this was just kind of a grind up, and you get one candle. There's not much to that short, and you get this big red volume signaling um, that the likelihood is you're going to get a buying opportunity down here. So, for example, you got a higher low here, um, and then it started grinding up. As soon as you get back inside this candle, see the bottom of this candle. As soon as you start getting up inside this and consolidating here, you really don't want to be long on this or short on this, sorry, because it's back up inside for a start, and that's showing strength. It should, if this was weak, right, this should have rejected off the bottom of that candle and rolled away. This bottom here is your support and resistance in a way. So I think you need to be careful here. This is it's showing signs of strength. I'm not sure where you shorted, but just be careful.